Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Chip.
I'm Delaney.
And we are here for the 2-in-1 switcheroo.
Yes.
So I gave Delaney
the Norvina Volume 1.
and I have the Naked 3 by Urban Decay OG. Oh my gosh. I haven't like picked up mine in a hot minute, so I'm like...
You still have yours? Why haven't you decluttered that? You know you don't use it, Chip.
I'm never decluttering it. It's going to stay old and gray. No, that's a collectible item at this point.
Let's go, Chip.
Yes.
What are you gonna do?
No idea. Like literally,
I'm gonna take the Morphe M330 and I'm gonna go in with E3. Let me make sure I don't get the wrong column, wrong row. Okay, here's
Be careful, because there have been times where I'm not paying attention and I dip into the wrong shade, and I just like, because it's such a big palette, I'm just not looking down at the right. Yeah. That's me. True. All right, we're gonna go in with Dust.
And E3 is a matte, like, baby puke shade, which I'm, like, all about.
Yeah.
I kind of wish that they had these, like, the 3 volumes set up like how Menagerie sets them up with, like, a magnetic base and you can move them around. I feel like that would be fun, not only for, like, consumer level, but also, like, artistry level. So, like, if you're using these palettes working, you could move whatever shades you wanted into whatever palette. Now, you could pry this out, but, like, it's plastic. So
and now I'm diving into Blackheart. I forgot the lack of like dark mattes in this palette.
There's very few mattes in general in that palette. I wish they would have done like a very close like shade to Blackheart as a matte.
That's why I was like, if I'm looking for a one-stop palette, because this again I would have to match with another palette. But when I'm looking for that one stop, it has to have a dark matte that I can blend with any of the colors in the palette. Like even just a black is fine. I can work with that, but
just a deep matte. A really nice deep taupe would have also been pretty for that. Okay, I'm gonna take this Sephora Pro 14 and jump into D1, and that is gonna be like a nice ochre yellow.
We're doing the Black Radiance Fine Line Liquid Line.
I'm gonna jump in with E5, which is a nice like brick matte. Well, maybe not so brick, more of a maroon, because the more brick tone would be C5, but we're gonna do E5 in the outer corner, same brush. I'm gonna take ColourPop Cream Gel Liner and Call Me. It's like a nice brown. And then Thirsty Goodbye.
And then lip for this can really be any color your heart desires. So let's do some Fenty. Using Candy Venom from the Fenty matte lipsticks.
And for lip, we're gonna be using Belladonna, and this is Harvest, my favorite ever yellow lipstick.
I feel like I should add another color. Okay, let's go in with Burnout. And we'll add that to our inner corner. Okay, yep, that was a good idea.
It's like Bride, and then we're going to the club after.
I mean,
Go ahead and do close-ups.
Because you want to see this bright lip, like, real close.
The closest. Okay, guys.
Sweet.
It's time for look number 2. What could do, Chip? Running out of shade.
Did I use all the ones on the last look? Well, let's do a smoky look.
Yeah.
We're just gonna smoke it
Oh,
out.
yeah, you should keep like most of the lid kind of like neutral, and then just do like a line or something.
Or smoke it.
Don't smoke it. I'm gonna stick more on like the purples and pinks of this one.
Let's prime our eyes with Urban Decay.
Yeah, I already primed with Urban Decay. Okay, I'm gonna go in with Morphe M330 C4, which is like a less dense version of E5 and more of a purpley maroon than like a red maroon, if that makes sense. And we're gonna pop that in the crease.
So I'm using a Morphe M322 brush, diving into Dark Side. I'm going to focus this closer to my waterline, or like my eyeliner.
I'm going to take the ColourPop No Filter Concealer in Fair 00, and I'm going to use the Morphe M165 and just cut out a little crease here. Just going to do another half crease, nothing fancy.
All right, then we're doing Blackheart with the Sigma E20.
Okay, I'm just going to take a Morphe M250-0 and just tighten up that line with C4.
mascara is the Tarte Big Ego.
I'm going to use the Sephora Pro 14, and this is the B3 shade. It's a metallic.
So for lips, my lips are already pretty stained from the pink lipstick that we put on previously. So I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. Jelly Pop Juicy Gloss Lip Gloss. And we're just going to do a glossy lip for this one.
I'm going to jump in my last shade, A3, same brush.
I'm going with Burnout because I want that inner corner to be a little bit more interesting. I've never tried this look either before, just using shadows to create a very bold line look.
ColourPop Cream Gel Liner in Insomniac. We're going to try to get this to show up. There's a lot of eyeliner still on my face.
Oh.
Using the Trace Steak Mascara again. So I'm going to be using a lip I've used like 2 times from Pretty Zombie Cosmetics. This is Dead Roses. It has like a nice metallic like finish in it. And so I thought it would pair nicely with the tones of this look, but also the metallic that I used.
All right. Yes.
I like it.
That lid shade though.
That gloss looks really good just on your natural lip.
What is that? What is that lid shade?
The lid shade?
Yeah. The pink.
Oh, it's B3.
Oh my god.
Pink and polished.
Yes.
I like yours though. I like the way that you did the wing.
Yeah, I was like, oh, that's good.
New stuff for Chip.
All right, let's do some close-ups.
Guys watching this video today. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and follow us on our social media. It's all sugarandspice_makeup. We have our Instagram, Facebook page, and here, and we would love to have you as part of our family. So go ahead and smash that subscribe button, and we'll see you guys on the next one.
Bye!